Yeah, people, welcome back to the Talk Through Jamaica Dancehall Update. Like and subscribe to our page. We're going to talk about Jamaica to celebrate Dancehall Weekend. And we're going to talk about TJ and Byron Mosiah altercation the other day. So, Jamaica said they're going to start to celebrate Dancehall Weekend in February. And it's a good look for Jamaica. Yeah, big up the Minister of Culture, Babsy Green. Big up yourself. It's a good look. I love what I do for the culture. Because remember, Trinidad celebrates soca, so we have to embrace our culture too, like everybody else. You understand? Remember, other islands celebrate their culture, St. Kitts, Antigua. So we have to talk about TJ and Byron Mosiah. TJ go up on live and I say Byron Mosiah have to go choke through him mama. Cause him see him and approach him and him no want to do him nothing and all them something there. So me don't know if them go physical, but we don't want to go there so right there so now.